Imagine you had invisible coins. You couldn't hold them in your hand, but they were real, and they floated safely in a magical cloud above you. You could spend them, save them, or send them to a friend without ever touching a wallet. Crazy, isn't it? Let's see how it actually works. Picture this. You and your friends each have a special coin pouch in the cloud. Every time you trade coins, the cloud keeps a perfect record. No one can sneak extra coins in, and no one can take yours without permission. It's like having a treasure chest in the sky that only opens when you say so. Digital money works just like those invisible coins in the cloud. Instead of using paper bills or metal coins, it's stored on computers. Every move, like spending or sending, is written down in a secure digital log that everyone can trust. You don't need a bank in the middle. The cloud and its digital locks do the job. Why does this matter? You can buy things in online games, send coins to friends far away, or collect rare digital items without fear they'll be stolen or copied. It's fast, fair, and always ready, no matter where you are, just like magic coins that follow you everywhere. So now you know the key ideas behind digital money and how it works. Here are the main terms you can remember and share. Digital money. Money that exists only on computers, not as coins or bills. Invisible coins, a way to imagine money you can't touch, but can still use. Secure cloud, a safe online space that keeps your money protected. Fair trades, exchanges where no one can cheat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.